Why is none of this welded? It's all just open.
This is our crazy cart. Since purchasing the cart in 2019, it's gone through so many iterations. Over the years, we have widened the wheelbase to increase stability, upgraded to 36 volt, then to 48 volt, and upgraded to the XL version of the motor. We then proceeded to blow up the XL motor from riding it too hard. Every configuration we tried kept running into overheating problems, so to try to fix that, we bought a 48 volt motor. Unfortunately, the motor was too big for the fork, so we had to make some alterations. And that's where the project fizzled out. We needed an easier solution to get the cart up and running, so we bought a brushless hub motor. Join us as we fumble through installing the hub motor and testing it out.
Motor or something.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we rolled it.
Oh.
Which is also totally broken off.
The chain was that tight.
Oh, I guess not. Okay, so here we're just taking apart the old fork that we modified, and hopefully it fits this new hub motor, and hopefully this new hub motor is powerful.
Yeah. And works the way we want it to. I mean,
am I done? The hole too small.
ooh. That is another problem.
Sawzall.
Right? Well, it's just gonna get really ugly. You know?
Sawzall. It already is ugly. Okay, but let's see. So, did you push your seat back too?
Thought so.
You dirty.
Oh, look at that. That looks pretty cool.
Just a bolt. That's there. And then should this go on the inside or the outside? Probably the
I think we
inside.
did on top.
There's like this, like that. I think it's like this. Just so it's a little snugger. wants to go together. Yeah, it's kind of perfect. Can I turn that inner axle?
What do you mean?
Where's that? It'd be nice to get this little thing in there. This doesn't matter.
Oh.
Doesn't matter. I think. It doesn't matter.
Oh, I don't think it does.
But can't I like just turn the whole thing?
You want to loosen the other side?
Oh, right. Well, let's just do that. I might need your help. Oh my god, it spins so nicely. There's a little bit of rattle right here, but like, not much.
Yeah, I think that's pretty good.
Grinder. Here's the grinder. Where's the grinder? Oh, I also have that like micro sander thing. Have you seen that?
Nope, I haven't seen it.
Pretty cool. Am I honestly? Let's see if I could even get it off the grinder. I can even do that.
That's not gonna work.
Here's a micro sander. I don't know what it's called, but it'll be good. Oh yeah. Money. Okay. What am I wearing? I can't see. I can't see a goddamn thing.
Alright, first test of the hub motor crazy cart.
This thing's had this is the fourth motor that's been in this cart.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It looks terrifying. I've got to be honest.
It's definitely got a left pickup, but it's gonna go faster. I can feel it.
Should we go outside?
Yeah. Let's go.
You might get more grip on the surface too. In a good way or a bad way? And there you have it. The installation was pretty straightforward. All the wires connected directly into the speed controller we installed with the XL motor. After testing it a couple more times, here are the pros of the hub motor. It's easy to install if you're okay with a little bit of cutting. It's faster than an XL motor, and it hasn't shown any signs of overheating. Now on to the cons. It definitely doesn't have the same torque as a chain-driven motor, but still feels sporty enough. It requires a fair bit of cutting, and it has a different feel compared to chain-driven. It's kind of hard to describe, but once you get used to it, it feels pretty good. All in all, we're happy with the decision to try this out. Not having to deal with a chain or stop riding due to the motor overheating definitely makes this a viable option. Let us know if you try this out, and as always, thanks for watching.